Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today I want to teach you how to catch ICT turtle soup. Okay, so this turtle soup strategy is simply a strategy whereby you wait for price to go into a liquidity level which usually rests above or below above equal highs and below equal lows. Okay, so basically you wait for price to go into that liquidity level and then you take your trade in the opposite direction. But one warning I usually like to sound is if you do not know what price is pulling into, if you don't know the main reason why price is going above that level, don't take the trade above the level or below the. Let me explain. Let me break down what I'm trying to explain. Right now you have relative equal highs. I'm trying to click on this. Okay, so you have relative equal high here. So price went above it. The standard turtle soup is for you to take your trade above this level and then you move in the opposite direction. But the thing is, if you do not know what price is pulling up to touch, okay, it could be an higher time frame fair value gap, it could be an higher time frame order block. So if you don't know exactly why price is going up there, then you won't be able to take the trade from this point because you don't know where it's going to stop. Okay, if you take a sell trade just because it has gone above your relative equal high and you think you are doing turtle soup, you are just trying to blow your accounts because price could actually continue going up. Okay, whereas you have taken a sell trade, so price could just continue going up. How are you sure it will come down? So what gives you that certainty that it will actually come down is you knowing what price is pulling into, what is making price move up there, which, like I said, could be an higher time frame FVG. Okay, so it would be there is an higher time frame fair value gap above which price is moving into. Then from there you can take your trade to the downside. But if you don't know what it is pulling into, there is no problem. All you just need to do is to take the trade the safe way, which is waiting for price to come and close below this level. So it has gone above the level for the turtle soup. You don't take the trade, you wait for it to close below the level, giving you a confirmation that price wants to come down. So you can take your trade below the level to catch the sell trade, and you can see how price went far below, giving you a whole lot of profits. So you just need to train yourself when it comes to identifying relative equal high or relative equal low. So you can see this one I identified right here. You have relative equal high there. Okay, so the high does not need to be the highs don't need to be perfectly equal. That's why the word relative is used. Okay, so it should look like a resistance level where price is struggling to go beyond. If it's high you're dealing with, while for lows it should be like a support level which price is struggling to go below. Okay, so you just mark out the level and then from there you wait for the turtle soup to take place. So that's one example. I marked out some examples. Let me see. Okay, we have another one here. Let me get my horizontal line. You can see how it looks. Look at that. So you have relative equal low around here. So price is kind of struggling to go below that. Okay, so what do you have here? Price goes below it and gives us a turtle soup. But like I said, if you don't know what price is pulling into that made price go below it like this, you can't take your trade from here. Okay, so you have to wait for price to come and close above that level. As you can see, this first candle here, so once you have that close above the level, you can actually take the trade from there to go in the upwards direction. And you can see we have a lot of bullish momentum from that point. Okay, so I think I have one more example for you. One more. Okay, this right here, let me take this off. Okay, so we have relative equal low right here. So price was struggling to go below that level. Okay, so look at this turtle soup. This came with a big wick. So you have this now. For those that know what price is pulling into, you can take your trade from here. Okay, you can take your trade from here. But if you don't know what is pulling into, just take it the safe way. Wait for price to go below your relative equal low, and then wait for it to close above it. Then you can take your trade after it has closed above it, which is like a confirmation, more like confluence telling you that price wants to go in the upward direction. Place your SL here and then manage your trade to the upside. Okay, so if you got any value, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You got any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.